Breakdown of equipment and machinery on board vessels during voyage can lead to a disruption of the global supply chain as well as substantial financial losses. To avoid having malfunctioning or broken equipment on board, the common practice in the maritime industry is to perform periodic or scheduled maintenance. This means maintenance is carried out at a fixed time interval, regardless of the usage or condition of the equipment. Now, this can lead to extended use of damaged parts, unnecessary breakdown during voyage, and overstocking of spare parts. Equatorial Marine Fuel Management Services is looking to use modern and advanced technologies to more effectively monitor and assess equipment conditions and predict maintenance requirements in order to optimize usage and reduce unplanned failures and other operational disruptions.